In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Airtable interface. To get started, open the Airtable base that contains the interface you want to update. This is important because interfaces are connected to the specific base where the underlying data lives. Before making any changes, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct base so you don't accidentally edit the wrong workspace or project. Once you're inside the base, head to the Interfaces section. This is where Airtable keeps the custom views and interactive layouts built for different users and use cases. Depending on your setup, you may see multiple interfaces available, so look for the one you want to modify. After that, open the interface and click Edit. This switches the interface from viewing mode into editing mode, where you can make changes to the structure and content. If you don't see the edit option right away, make sure you have the correct permissions, since editing access can depend on your role in the base. Now select the specific part of the interface you want to change. This could be an individual element, a full page, a chart, a form, or a list. Airtable interfaces are made up of different components, so choosing the exact section first helps you stay organized and avoid making unrelated changes. As you click through the interface, you'll usually see settings appear for the selected item. Next, adjust the interface settings based on what you need. You can update the data source if you want the interface to pull from a different table or view. You can also change filters to control which records appear, refine the layout to improve readability and structure, or modify permissions if certain users should have different levels of access. These settings are what shape how the interface looks and behaves, so it's worth reviewing them carefully before moving on. When your edits are in place, use the preview option to check the interface. Previewing helps you confirm that everything looks right and functions the way you expect. This is a good time to catch issues like missing data, confusing layouts, or filters that are too restrictive. Testing before publishing can save time and prevent mistakes from reaching other users. Finally, publish or save the edited interface. This makes sure your updates are stored and, if applicable, visible to the intended audience. Once that's done, your Airtable interface is updated and ready to use.